Hi, my name is Akash Ugle. Today we are discuss about the antigen and antibodies. The first we are discuss about what is antigen and antibody. Types of antigen or antibody. The first antigen. Antigen is any substance that stimulate the specific immune system, means antibody or T cells, and bind the specific to them. Then types of antigen. There are means two types of antigens, means exogen and endogen. This endogen enter into the body with the help of inhalation, injection. They do not produce in the body. Then endogen. Endogen they are endogen they are produced in the cells. They are not required to the enter into the outside the body. There are other types of antigen. First, immunogen, autogen, superantigen. The first is the immunogen. The substance the substance that stimulate the specific immune response. Product the antibody or T cells with the help of APCs such as proteins, lipoproteins, polysaccharide, some nucleic acids. Then antigen, allergic antigen. Allergen is substance that causes the allergic reactions. Then autoantigen, it is the normal protein. They recognized by the immune systems of the patients and suffering from the specific autoimmune disease. Then superantigen, they secrete the protein on T cells to produce. Then we discuss about the antibodies. Antibodies are the serums, proteins. They stimulate in the response to the foreign substances. There are 6 types of antibodies present. The first IgG, IgM, IgA, IgD, IgE. The specially antibody are Y-shapes. Antibodies contain the two regions, the constant regions and variable regions. Constant region do not change, but variable regions change in the variation region. The first types of antigen is IgG. It crosses the placenta. It is only one immunoglobulin to transfer from the mother to the fetus through the placenta. IgG in 85% high molecule weights. It activates the secondary immune response. The gamma chain is present in IgG antibodies. Then second types of antibodies IgM. 10% of concentration. The primary immune response. The pentaminic in nature, and mu chain is present. The third is IgD. This Ig antibody means secretory antibodies. They present in the secretory in immunoglobulin secrete such as tears, saliva, breast milk. IgA alpha chain is present. Then IgD or IgE. IgE is a monomers which found. They produce the allergic types of reactions. Parasites in IgE in E chain is present. This is the all about the antigen or antibody, types of antigen or antibody. Thank you.